All right, check this out. We are jammed. We be jamming, but no, the jams are done. Pretty cool color combination. But no, we're gonna put the doors back on because they are just so heavy. If you guys know what Camaro Firebird 70s, just like the Monte Carlo door. They are massive. So I've got them all jammed. Trunk lid's done. It looks really good. Turned out pretty snazzy. Let's go over here to this side. See if we can get a little. It's kind of a blue, purple. I went ahead and shot the tail light covers. Over here on this door, I went ahead and shot these little turn signals. What is the name of this? This is a Land Rover Martinique Blue. Okay. But anyway, beautiful. Beautiful blue. So now I'll let these things sit. Put everything on so I can shoot. I did it this way so I could shoot doors, fender, everything with one nice even pattern all the way down. So cool. Thanks for watching.